Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel School. In today's video, we're going to make your Excel sheets look professional and more meaningful using conditional formatting. If you've ever wanted Excel to automatically highlight top performers, show low sales in red, or use colors to quickly understand data, this video is for you. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Conditional formatting is a powerful Excel tool that changes the color or style of a cell based on its value. In simple words, it helps you make sense of numbers by coloring them automatically. For example, higher numbers can turn green and lower ones red, giving you instant visual insights. Here I have a sales data set with targets and actual sales. Let's highlight the employees whose actual sales are greater than or equal to the target. I'll select the column, go to Home, Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules greater than, and enter the value equal, i.e. 100 to the target column. And boom, the top performers are now automatically highlighted in green. Now let's make it even better using a color scale. Select the Performance column, go to Conditional Formatting, Color Scales, and choose a green, yellow, red scale. Immediately, you can see who performed the best, green, and who needs improvement, red. This is great for dashboards or quick reviews. Next, let's use a custom formula to flag employees who are behind target. I'll select the entire table, go to New Rule in Conditional Formatting, use a formula and type equals E2 less than 100%. Now choose a red fill color. Excel will automatically highlight everyone with less than 100% performance. You can use similar formulas for dates, text, or any condition you want. One pro tip, convert your data set into an Excel table, Control+T. When you add new rows, the formatting rules will automatically apply. That means your color highlights always stay updated as your data grows. And that's how you use conditional formatting in Excel to bring your data to life. We covered highlights, color scales, formulas, and even dynamic updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Excel School for more practical Excel tutorials. Also, comment below which conditional formatting trick will you try first?